Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the device manager error code 21 that will appear when you're attempting to access or perhaps disable a device. It says that Windows is removing this device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be just we'll wait a couple minutes, see if the issue resolves itself. It might actually be removing and then reinstalling the device perhaps. Or you might have already deleted or removed the device and it's just temporarily showing this message before it completely removes the device driver. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. You can, like I said, restart your computer and then attempt to relaunch the device manager application and see if you are still having that message appear. And there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.